you think about it? Mine's pretty good as well.
Really good. Yeah. Get your camera out in front of your face. Put the camera out in front of your face. I don't need to see
These
it.
are
No, you need to see
These are good.
That's really good. Put the camera down. You don't need it in front of your face.
What's going on, Jickineers? Welcome back to Just Stick Around for another video. Today we are headed to Gilliam, Louisiana for a sunflower festival. We are hoping to see fields and fields of sunflowers. And we'll get back with you when we get there.
When we're dancing through the stars, be a fine day today for you and me. Oh, now baby, I know I've done you wrong. I only meant trouble for so long, but baby, all that crazy is on the bus.
We are now at the sunflower festival.
Now baby, I know I've done you wrong. I only meant trouble for so long, but baby, all that crazy is on the bus. And today it's gonna be a fine day for us. 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 Fine day for us.
Okay, tell me about that one.
Well, these are all vegetarian.
Oh, okay. So all of these are vegetarian.
Everything on the table is vegetarian.
Well,
Very
that's
cool.
right up your alley then.
Yes, it is. Okay, let's try the Fiesta. Hold up. So have you made it? Oh, this looks good.
Ooh.
And this one right here?
This one's bacon.
And that's
Hey.
soy.
Can you, so I can try one?
Can I try the bacon? You can just put it in here. You can put the same
I
one.
want to try it.
And with these, it's sour cream. With these, they have sour cream.
Thank you.
The bacon.
I don't know. Oh.
That's really good. Okay, let me have one Fiesta and one bacon. Try that.
We had 3 for 10 or $4 each.
Sorry, look at my fingers. Are these all sweet?
Yes.
Or these are the only two savory? Oh, what's this one?
This one's dill.
Dill. Let me try that one. Oh, that's good too. Let me have one of those too.
You're just stacking up over here.
We got good stuff.
You ain't wrong about that.
So, and Allie has my wallet.
How are y'all doing?
That's a Freddie King instrumental. Phil King, think called Sidetracked. 1, 2, 1, 2,
Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Thank you, guys.
Okay, so we wanted a couple of the Ghost Sickles. Which one would you recommend?
Summertime or Cramptastic.
Okay.
If I narrow it down to just summertime.
Okay, let's go with summertime.
2 summertime, $8.
Where's my money?
Where's your car? Smash over. Hey, car.
I got 2 cramped.
Need him open, man?
$4. Thank you very much.
I want a summertime.
Hang on.
Oh, this is good.
I'll buy cake.
Here's your camera.
Hang on, I gotta put this back in my pocket. I'm smelling barbecue or something.
Barbecue Pitmaster right over there. What you think about it? I'm pretty good as well.
It's really good. Yeah. Get your camera out in front of your face. Get the camera out in front of your face. I don't need to see it. No, you need to see
These
it.
are good.
This is really good. Put the camera down. You don't need it in front of your face. Which one did you? I think you got the same one.
I just got the franchise. We all got the same ones.
I think so. Oh, well, you got summertime, I think.
That's what I got.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Else up here.
Dang, these are good. Ooh, salsa. Eat it or wear it is what it says.
It's gonna take hours. What you getting on there?
A little sunflower.
A little sunflower?
Sunflower. I'll take one.
You're dripping over here now.
Strawberry. Strawberry yogurt.
It's gonna be a fine day today. I can't
Hey guys, we are headed to the Sunflower Trail. We are leaving the little festival here in Gilliam, Louisiana. We're now headed down the Sunflower Trail, and we're going to see what we can see. We're on the hunt for sunflowers. What's the sunflower?
Okay. I gotta turn this around. Just go. Yeah, sunflowers.
Put your screen down so you can see what you're recording.
Okay. We're trying to find sunflowers. We found one, but of course, she wouldn't stop so we could pick them. So now we're looking at corn, trying to find sunflowers. I got a little sunflower. That one right there, that's all I got right now. But I'll put it a bunch more. And you gotta say thank you to my mother and sister because she picked it for me. Now we're looking at buildings. There's really no sunflowers on this side. And there's nothing on that side. And there's still nothing on this side. No sunflowers. Mom, if we don't see any more, we're turning around so we can get the other one. I'm telling you right now, we're going to turn around so I can get the big one.
Supposed to be on the Sunflower Trail.
This is not the sunflower trail. There are no sunflowers on this trail. This is the corn trail. It's a corn trail.
This is sunflower.
Where? Are there sunflowers?
We have sunflowers right here.
Yay, sunflowers! Wait, where are they at? I'll see them. Oh, there's big ones.
You want me to give it?
Yes. Can we pick them? I can't get out. What? Oh, look at my pretty sunflower.
Hold it up by its head.
Yeah, I think we're gonna might have some seeds falling on this one.
Did you do that?
No.
Who did that?
You like that one?
Alright guys, well that has been our adventure on the Sunflower Trail and our sunflower expedition. I'm glad you got to come along with us, and I hope we get to see you in our next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for our new and upcoming videos. And look at this big old sunflower I got. Now we're gonna go stuff our faces and what up, Bert?
You don't know what monosyllabic answers are? One word. Yes, no. What? They have one syllable. Responses that have one syllable, and that's it.
Yes or no?
Nope. Yep. You understand? I'm still waiting for a...
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there we go. That's a little better, but it's still monosyllabic. Because yes and ma'am contain singular syllables.
Thanks for going for me. I'm thinking.
Well, you're supposed to.
Well, I can't.
See, Aunt Allie does the same thing, so she's not any better.